Good morning. This is Mark Sebastian, the founder of OptionPit.com with the AM Volatility Report. Reminder, this is for educational purposes only. None of this should be construed as investment advice. Consult your financial professional. Well, here we are, another day, and we are officially currently at an all-time high. Right, 2137. This would be an all-time high. I believe this is an intraday high. Right. VIX still not at the low of the year, but acting like it might get there today. Meanwhile, you've got the VIXMO, the monthly one, really showing a really low print right now. That'll probably be fixed. Expect these two to converge. And really, we're up across the board. All right. It's not just SPX that's up. There's strength in oil. Bonds are finally relaxing a little bit. GLD, yeah, GLD is off, and I expect it. This is the one that we think is going to be the softest. We are sellers of this. We think gold is completely overbought. We think bonds are overbought. Right? We like, shorting gold. We think bonds maybe do go to 1%, but for now they're overbought. And with that, we continue to think you're going to see some weakness in XLU and in some of the big dividend-paying ETFs that are completely overbought. But, with the rumors of rate hikes, you got to like XLF relative to the other indexes. That's why you see Goldman pop. You've seen some of the other names, right? And so, keep an eye on some of these different sector ETF IVs. So if we look here, look at these different IVs that we've got. We've got XLB. XLE is kind of fallen back to earth. XLF, XLI, you can see XLP, IV, pretty low. And XLU, XLU was a great scoop of implied volatility last week when it got to the 12s. XLP was as well. All right. Then, retail's doing some moves as well. There are a lot of, you can see vols falling apart. UVXY announced a reverse stock split. Now, why is that important? Well, when they announce a reverse stock split, any position that is on into that reverse stock split should be closed either the day of that reverse stock split or the day before, because after that, all of the rest of the options become really, really illiquid and hard to trade. So one rule we have is when UVXY announces a reverse split, we get out of our positions. It also can be a call for a bottom in the market. VVIX, we have made comment. It is cheap to hedge now. All right, VVIX is 85. The VIX index is 13.4, and the VIX futures in August aren't that expensive. $16%. I can hedge in August on the cheap, and I think it's worth doing. All right, I think we're going to have a Fed governor in the next week rabble-rouse about interest rates, and that could move things. And that should be something that every trader should be aware of. So that may hold volatility up and also provide potential for VIX to move back toward that 18 level. All right, we've looked at lots of back spreads, and we like them. All right, folks, on that note, I hope everybody has a great day. If you have questions, you can email me mark@optionpit.com or call me 888-TRADE-01. Have a good one.